Hello, guys, and welcome back to Learn English through Speeches. So, let's get started. Today, I want to talk about a simple yet powerful phrase: believe in yourself. These three words have the potential to transform your life. We all face challenges, doubts, and fears, but it's how we respond that matters. When we believe in ourselves, we unlock our true potential. We become more confident, resilient, and determined. Think about it. Every great achievement started with a single thought: I can do this. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the bulb, failed over 1,000 times, but he didn't give up. He believed in himself. I remember when I was struggling in school, I felt like I wasn't good enough. But my teacher told me, you have the potential to succeed. Believe in yourself. And those words changed everything. So I urge you to believe in yourself. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You are capable of achieving greatness. Remember, success starts with self belief. As Nelson Mandela said, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Believe in yourself, you will rise above any obstacle.